We are going to make this simple packet on Blender, from scratch to render. Stay with us and follow the process. This is the Dieline of existing packet. We are going to make complete starting to end process with few easy steps. Let's see how we're going to make this. Remove the strokers and keep only the fill and save as SVG first. Then go to Blender and import the SVG file we just saved. Set the origin to center and scale it up. From curve menu, just convert to 3D for just keeping the curve line. Now convert to mesh and fill it. Now connect the fold lines. Delete unnecessary vertices. Now we are going to rotate the folds through fold lines. Change the transform pivot point and transform orientations to the cursor. Before folding, we have to unwrap it as it is, so after we can place the design easily. We can fold now by move the cursor to every center of the fold line. I fast forward this process. Select every folding line and move the cursor onto it, then rotate 90 degrees. Adjust the gaps if needed. For straight cut on knife tool press 8. Delete unnecessary vertex. Make sure connect every folds with a cut. Do the same for the other side. Now we are going to insert our design. Fix the orientation, our UV map. Export the UV map for insert the package design. Now go to Illustrator or Photoshop and place the design. Save it with high resolution for better render result. Now add a material and insert the design with image texture node and connect it to alpha. Add another principal BSDF node set up for control the packet color. I make a mistake, just swap the node, connector. Now from top node, you can adjust text value and bottom node for packet color. Add a noise texture for the packet surface. Connect it with bump node to normal. Now, let's make another node setup for controlling the logo, color, and values. Same as we did before. Connect the mask to the factor. Now we can adjust the logo color. For emboss or debross, just add a bump node and connect it with normal. Let's adjust the packet noise texture a little bit. We will do the same for these design as we did for logo. Follow the process. Now we can control texts with this node group. Add a bump node for input. Adjust the values as you like. Add a solidify modifier for add thickness. Make sure you apply all transformations. Bevel the folds if needed. Now add two plane, a ground plane, and another back plane. You can set up render as you want. I just completed with basic lights,